Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your YouTube's theme into dark mode on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your YouTube's theme into dark mode, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your YouTube, so just search for youtube.com on the search bar. And once you're on your YouTube, next, I want you to click your profile at the top right corner. And after clicking it, you will now be able to see the appearance option right here, which is where you can change the appearance theme of your YouTube. So just go and click it. And then you will now be able to see the dark mode option right here, so you can now select it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your YouTube theme will now be changed into dark mode just like that. And if in case you want to change the theme back to the original again, which is the light mode, just do the same steps we did earlier. And after doing that, the theme will now return to the original. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.